Hey guys, it's Ashley, and today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day. So a little while ago I filmed a thrift haul, and in that thrift haul I was eating oatmeal, and I told you guys that I would post a what I eat in a day so that you guys could know how to make that oatmeal, because the oatmeal is honestly the most beautiful oatmeal that anyone could ever make. So I think I'm gonna have some fruits and veggies for breakfast, and then we'll have oatmeal for lunch, and then we will see what I'm gonna do about dinner tonight. Okay, now I have just like a really odd platter of fruits and vegetables. So I have some tomatoes and I have this red bell pepper. It looks like it's spicy, but it's not. I love to just touch that. I have oranges, a huge chunk of watermelon, and I have some blackberries over here. So I make sure that I take multivitamins every day just because I'm vegan and I know that there's some things that I should be supplementing, namely B12 and also like omega-3s and stuff like that. Want to make sure I get all my essential fatty acids. So I do take a nice pack of multivitamins every day. And so yeah, this is from the brand Care Of, if you guys have ever heard of it. Look, it says, "Hi Ashley." The way that I figured out what vitamins that I needed to have in my diet was I took their 5-minute quiz. It was really simple, and you just go through a few questions about like your lifestyle and whatnot, and then it recommends what vitamins that you should be taking. For me, I have things like probiotics, omega-3s, iron, B12, that's a good one to have. I don't think that mine is in the new packaging, but I know that they did just launch new compostable packaging, which is really awesome, so that's super cool. Here are my beautiful vitamins. I'm gonna be swallowing these straight down. We're gonna be swallowing this big boy first. TBH, I'm really good at swallowing pills. When I was little, I used to practice like swallowing peas and also entire spaghetti noodles, and it would take like maybe like 7 swallows to get it fully down. So that's what I did when I was little to prepare me for this moment in which I'm swallowing pills on live television. I think I'm setting a world record right now. I'm not even joking. By the way guys, if you want to try Care Of, I do have a link in the description if you want to go check it out, and you can use my code if you want to get 30% off of your first order. So that's awesome. Definitely go check it out. Start getting your vitamins and just living your best life, guys. I'm gonna move over there and eat my fruits and just look out of my nice big window because I like to do that. So, oh, I'm gonna drop it. Help. Yes. Ooh, that fell on the ground. I'm eating anyways, I don't care. This watermelon's so good. By the way, if you guys are wondering what I'm wearing, my necklace is from Princess Polly, my shirt is thrifted, and my shorts are from H&M. That looked like a dance move. Alright guys, it's been a few hours and it's finally oatmeal time. So I always use steel cut oats. These are Trader Joe's quick cook steel cut oats. I think they also have organic ones. These ones aren't the organic ones, I don't think, but I like steel cut oats so much better than regular rolled oats. So if you can get steel cut oats, they usually take longer to cook, but these ones I got the quick cook kind, so they cook pretty fast. The texture is so much better. So that's gonna be like what, like a cup of water and like 1/4 of a cup of this stuff. We're gonna bring this up to a boil. Okay, so now I have my steel cut oats. That's hilarious. And we're gonna mix in the oatmeal, and we're also gonna turn down our heat to like a little bit less than, oh my god, I almost knocked all that over. And we're just gonna put it like a little less than medium, and then we'll check it out in like approximately 7 to 8 minutes. While the oatmeal cooks, I'm just gonna slice up my bananas. Beautiful. Now my oatmeal is thickening up, and we're gonna add in a couple extra things. So I personally like to add in some cinnamon and also some nutmeg. I add like just a little sprinkle of nutmeg and like probably a decent amount of cinnamon. Yeah, that's a lot. A little bit of nutmeg. I'm doing a terrible job at filming this, honestly. And I also like to add in flaxseed into my oatmeal just because it's a good source of like omega-3s and also fiber. Okay, I'm also gonna add in some protein powder just because I might as well. You know, getting some protein where I can. This is the vanilla flavor from Care of. Now this is where we have to do some fancy stuff, so follow me. I'm gonna dump in the oatmeal, but I'm only gonna put it on like, oops, like 1/2 of the bowl. Push it against one side of the bowl so it looks like that. So now we're gonna take half of the banana and I'm gonna put that right next to the oatmeal. And then take the other half and I just put it on top. There we go, it's looking beautiful. And now we're gonna do the berries. I'm taking this huge bag of berries that I got from Sam's Club. The key is mostly to have blueberries and like blackberries so you get like a really pretty purple color. If you have too many raspberries, it's gonna turn red and it's gonna be like a little bit sour and we do not want that. I'm just gonna rinse out my pan back there and then we're gonna heat up the berries in the pan. You could also use the microwave if you wanted to, but I like to use the pan. My non-stick pan is a godsend when it comes to this. Whoa! How come I never did that before? Oops. Does that just look kind of like nasty? You have to use soy milk. This is the absolute key. You cannot use almond milk for this for some reason. The almond milk just will not work. Pour a little bit. Oh, I'm spilling it. I'm just gonna keep adding some soy milk, get it to turn that beautiful color. There's just something magical that the soy milk does that just makes it look so much better. So this is the absolute best almond butter in the entire world, the Trader Joe's raw almond butter. I also still like to use some regular peanut butter, so this one's from Trader Joe's as well. And we're just gonna be drizzling a really nice good amount on top of my oatmeal right here. Drizzling that right on top. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna put some peanut butter, like on top of the bananas. And I might also sprinkle on some more, damn, that made it look ugly. I'm gonna sprinkle on some more cinnamon. This is literally my most favorite cereal. The Annie's Cinnabunnies are literally so good. So I'm gonna have some right now. They're so good. All right, now I've been chilling for a little bit of time. I think I'm actually gonna go out to dinner tonight. I think I'm gonna get pho at this really good pho place. They have the absolute best like vegan pho in the entire world. Pho is probably like my most favorite thing to eat. So we're gonna go get that and it's gonna be amazing and beautiful and awesome. But for right now, I'm going to be having some drinks. I usually go for kombucha. I think my favorite one is actually Cosmic Cranberry flavor. This one's just like the typical trilogy flavor. I used to hate kombucha. It honestly tasted like dog feet, like dog paws, dog paw liquid, and I would like vomit if I even like smelled it. But now I like it for some reason. Or if I don't have kombucha, I will have one of these. These are so good. I don't know if you guys have ever seen this brand before, Kalina. You can buy them on like Amazon. They're so good. It's like sparkling coconut water. Honestly, even if you don't like coconut water, you will like these still because it tastes so good. Take a bite of noodle.
Wait, no, I'm not gonna use a fork.
Why, you want to look like you know what you're doing?
Yeah. It's hot.
Charles, that was gross.
A picture or
video? It's on video. Just take a Can you do clean my windshield? No. Please do the squirty thing.
Why?
Please, because there's pollen and it's getting in my thing. Can you wipe it off also? Charles! Wipe it off! Not more, I said wipe it.
I can't see!
Stop!
I can't.
Alright guys, in case you're just wondering what I'm up to, I'm gonna include some random vlog footage of me from last weekend. I went to US Finals with my cheer team. I was on Open Level 4 and we came in first at US Finals. I'm just gonna include some videos from that weekend just so I can look back on it just for my own memories. Before we look at that stuff, make sure to double tap the like button, double tap the subscribe button, and also make sure to click confirm when it asks you to unsubscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Peace out if you're leaving right now, or peace out again later in case you're staying tuned for the vlog footage.
Level 4 Senior Open, your US Finals champion is Premier Cheer.
Gotta get the trophy.
Oh, you hefty, but she's okay.
Whoa.
Ooh, kill him. Use alcohol. Ooh, that's my best friend. Ooh,
National champ hall.
It's just a picture of all of us. It's just one jacket.